5 main differences ng DDJ Flex 2 versus the DDJ Flex 4. This video is for you kung hindi ka pa rin makapag-decide kung alin nga ba dito sa dalawa ang dapat mong kunin. First, take a look at the jog wheels. Mas malaki yung jog wheel ng DDJ Flex 4 versus the DDJ Flex 2. Even though this is a bit smaller, okay pa rin siya for scratching. The next thing is a deal breaker for some DJs. Yung DDJ Flex 2, wala siyang browse section. Ibig sabihin nito, kailangan mong gamitin yung trackpad or mouse mo sa laptop para mag-load ng kanta sa mga deck. Sa DDJ Flex 4, may browse section siya dito. Ginagamit mo tong knob para mag-scroll and then you use the buttons to load. Now the third difference, and this is also a deal breaker for some DJs, the DDJ Flex 2 doesn't have any beat effects control. Yung DDJ Flex 4, meron siya, nandito. You can also find this on other more expensive DDJ controllers, pati yung mga DJI mixer natin. So yung beat effects, usually, ginagamit to para mag-set ng dry and wet, pati ito yung on and off button. Syempre, you still need to set it inside of the software that you're using, whether that's Rekordbox or even Serato or Virtual DJ. Pero dito sa DDJ Flex 2, wala kang controls for that, so again, you're gonna need to use your mouse. Now, the fourth difference are the master output connections. Sa DDJ Flex 4, you have a pair of RCA outs. On the DDJ Flex 2, you have a 3.5mm out. And now for the final difference, and to me this is the most important, the price. So the DDJ Flex 2 comes in at 12,500 pesos. Yung DDJ Flex 4 naman, almost double siya at around 22 or 23,000 pesos depending on when you're watching this video. Pero pwede mo i-expect na halos doble yung presyo ng DDJ Flex 4. So if you're a beginner DJ and you want to get stuck into the Alpha Theta / Pioneer DJ ecosystem, you're probably going to choose from either of these two controllers. Magdedepende na lang siguro sa budget mo that you want to invest into your hobby. By the way, let me know sa comments kung interesado ka in buying any of these controllers. Kung oo, I will try to look for some stock that I can sell dito sa ating social media channels and maybe, I don't know, put up an online store or something. Who knows?